What's happening, Flavour Chasers? We're back again. It's a midweek surprise episode. It's extremely close to my heart. A year ago today, we lost someone very special to us, very, very close to us. A wonderful mother, grandmother, sister, auntie, friend, just all round beautiful, amazing soul. Nothing she wouldn't have done for you. And don't forget wife, a loving wife, baby. So rest in peace, Janet. I'm going to pay homage today with your favourite dessert, bread and butter pudding. It's a classic, it's sweet, it's creamy, it's the classic way, and it will forever remind me of you. So rest in peace. You missed every day. Don't get it twisted. Love you so much. Save a Baileys for me, baby. Right, you're gonna need 70 grams of raisins, 4 tablespoons of golden sugar, the rind of 1 lemon, 3 eggs and 4 egg yolks, if that makes sense. That's 4 yolk, 3 eggs, 250 ml of whole milk, 300 ml of double cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste. Yeah. Get yourself a saucepan, bang your eggs in there, rude boy. Bang that in there. Also, your sugar. We're gonna cream this creamy whisker. Now you're just gonna whisk this till the eggs get creamy. You see it? And the sugar dissolves, blood. Speed up the bomb. Yeah, man. Now the milk, whisker, the cream. Yes, make a massive mess. Wipe down your dirty pig. Nastiness that. Bloody. Drink some green tea if you're a bad man like me. Now, give that a little whisk. Then all you want to do is just bang. Get some air in there. Make sure that's all connected. Now, whiteboard. Crusty bread. Gone off bread. It's not gone off. It's like 1 day old. And you're just going to butter the bread. Bread and butter pudding. Let's butter this bread. Sorry about the mic quality. I'm at work. I forgot my boom mic. Apologies. Now, butter baby. Spread that on there. Just the one side. Service side up, man. Yes, man. We spread her. Now, trays. Now with your vanilla, it's good to have a pod to just stick it in there. Take it out when your custard's warm. But yeah, just bang your paste in there. That's vanilla paste. Same thing. Same flavour. Yes, man. Now you just want to layer this up rustic. This is an old English dessert using the old leftover crusty bread, eggs and milk. Sugar, no messing. Raisins didn't come about till the 70s, but grab your raisins anyway. Put them on there. Yes, man, we're smashing it. Always. Deading it hard. Murder. Yes, man. There we have it. Boom. Now we're going to make the custard. Now, ladies and gentlemen, hold tight Claire, mummy on camera. High heat. We're just going to continuously whisk this over a high heat. We're not going to bubble it. We're going to get it just a bit warm. We call it tepid. We're going to get it tepid, baby. And then we're going to pour it over. Just warm, because the oven will cook it. The bubbles will come, but don't panic. You're just aerating the milk in there. You see the steam beginning to form. Zoom in, mummy. Yes, see that lemon zest? It's thickening there, look, see? You'll know it's thick when it starts to cling the sides, see? Not quite there yet, though. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's clinging nicely. It's nice and hot. Now back to the bread and butter pudding. Next step's a simple one. Get a jug. You can use the pan if you like, but it makes a god-awful mess, and you don't want that, man. Now we're gonna put this custard mixture on. Now you want to soak it. You want that lovely, soft, cakey, custardy mess sticking to your ribs on a cold winter's evening. Bread and butter pudding, straight out the larder. We waste nothing in the UK. Press that down just a little bit, just to stop it for the stick-up ends from burning. You don't want that, it's bitter. Look at that. Let that soak a little bit now. Brown sugar just on top to caramelise nicely. That lovely little crisp bit on top. Beautiful, stops it being a soggy. Into your oven, 180, clean down. There she is. 180, 20 minutes, look at her. Just look at her. Let's get a closer look, baby. Oh my gosh. I think it's absolutely beautiful, if I do say so myself. Oh, yes. Just gonna dig in. Just gonna grab a little bit of this. Oh, don't you wish you were here right now? Oh yeah, it's all steamy, baby. Look, it's all custardy. Look, it's all custardy on the side. It's all gooey and soft like a cake and custard. Oh.